Hi everyone, my name is Caritha and welcome to Essence of Polish. Today I'm going to be doing a design for Mother's Day, starting with wiping my nails with acetone and then applying my base coat. The colors I'm going to be using are Kiss in the color Sky Violet and Sinful colors in the color Ruby Ruby. I'm also going to be using an additional color in a water marble, but that'll be later in the video. I'm going to apply 2 coats of each color and then apply a top coat. Now I'm going to be using these rose nail stickers for my 2 middle fingers. Before soaking the nails in the water, you have to first take off the plastic film. If you don't take off the plastic, then the sticker will stick to it when you soak it in the water. And you only have to let it soak for maybe 5 to 10 seconds. When I was about to put the sticker on my nail, I remembered that I needed a clear polish to help stick the sticker down. But I went on and tried to apply it anyway to show you if you don't have down any clear polish, then the sticker won't stick to your nail. I also didn't want to take the time to get up and go find the clear polish, so I just used what I had in front of me and just used my top coat. Now I'm going to be using the 3rd color that I mentioned earlier, and it's the Kiss brand in the color Debut. When I water marble, I like to give the water a little jiggle and just shake the cup a little bit, because that helps the polish to spread out more. I'm going to draw my design with zigzags going down the middle, and then a circle in one direction, and then a smaller circle and then in the other direction. I was having trouble with the next water marble because the polish wouldn't spread out as far as I wanted it to. And if the polishes don't spread out, then you basically have a bunch of polish just piled up in the middle of your bullseye, and that makes the polish, too thick, and then the marble will be thick and glumpy. I don't like this one. I don't want to risk it. This is too thick. Why is the purple not spraying? So y'all remember in the first, well, not first, but the last video I did, and the water marble with the blue and the orange. This is what I meant by water marbling can get complicated. I want the purple to spread further than that. And this is like the 3rd or 4th time I done tried the second nail. So I did fix the problem I was having. I didn't show it because I didn't know it would work. I was just trying something. But what I did, I just put a few drops of nail polish thinner in the purple polish because the purple polish was the one that was causing trouble and not spreading. So basically it was just a little bit too thick for water marbling. So just a few drops of nail polish thinner and then it worked out perfect. I know some people like to use acetone or nail polish remover to thin out their polishes, but I don't really recommend that. I don't recommend that in general, but with water marbling, I'm not sure how that would cause the water or cause the polish to react in the water. Like if you're having the same problem I was just having, I don't know if using acetone instead of nail polish thinner would work. Probably not though. Just don't use acetone. I like to top coat and then do cleanup because that gives the top coat a little bit of extra time to dry my nails. And by the way, I did have another little mishap while doing this design, but try not to panic when you see it. Oh my God, I'm so mad at that. I'm not fixing it today. Well, can I? Hold on. This is why you top coat throughout each layer. I might mess up my flower though. Vite, you are a lifesaver. Oh no. If that happens, clean it up before. Well, it's it's already dry, but if that happens, clean it up first before it gets harder to fix. And then add another layer of top coat. I did panic for a second when that happened. Because I had other things, like I was already trying to finish before having to do other things that I had planned for the day. And I thought I was going to have to take all of that off and start that whole nail over. But thank God. Top coat your nails throughout your manicure. Please do. It'll save you some trouble. Comment down below and tell me if you're a mother and how many kids you have. I hope you enjoyed the video, and happy Mother's Day.